What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's another beautiful day here in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, and the reason we're in Lancaster, Pennsylvania is because we're putting new wheels on the truck. Oh yeah, so it's been a long time coming, but finally doing it. Yep, good old Lancaster, PA. Driving down Fruitville Pike. If you guys know where this is at, drop a comment below. And we're headed to my friend's tire and wheel shop here, and he's going to mount up the tires on the new wheels, and we're going to throw them on the truck. We have a couple little surprises here for this install. They don't exactly fit perfect because of the fact that I have those really big Chevy Performance front brakes, so we have to do a little bit of modification here to get them to fit. Oh man, I gotta turn around. I passed it. I thought it was after Clipper Magazine Stadium. Apparently it's before. Left on Lemon. Oh, got a guy going in reverse on a wheelchair with his dog. Nice, dude. Backs up better than me. Ooh, peeling out. Left on Queen. I should have peeled out too. Peeling out in that old Chrysler. You got somewhere to be. Left on Clay Street. Left on Prince, and we're here.
Let's see if we can make this happen today.
Yeah.
Please.
Okay.
Hopefully
this is Grant, everybody. This is the third time I've been here.
Yeah, don't have any more hiccups, but
I was telling about the modifications we're gonna have to do here to make these wheels work.
yeah. Hopefully the spacers will.
They are inch and a quarter. I feel as though they may actually clear the brakes regardless of.
It'd be nice.
You know what I mean? Those are T6 billet aluminum spacers, so they should handle, you know what I mean, anything. The things we do to modify our vehicles, though, let's be honest here.
It's always something.
Oh, it is.
But it is kind of fun to try and figure stuff out.
Yeah.
Problem solve and...
Right. So we're probably gonna have to shave these down, though, as you can see there, which is normal when you get a smaller than, like, I think it's smaller than like a 2-inch spacer. A lot of guys get 2-inch spacers and they'll go all the way out, and then you won't have to shave down your factory lug. So here are the new wheels. They are Anthem off-road, 20x12, -44 offset. These are the equalizers, and you'll see why here in a second that they would hit the Chevy Performance brakes there because of the fact that they're reverse mounted. So tapers a lot on the back there of the barrel, and you'll see here in a second when we throw this wheel on. Gotta trim those down because they stick out past
Not
the new
just
spacer.
a teeny tiny little bit.
Yep.
Good.
Good thing is we don't even have to cut into the threading.
No, yeah, that's nice. You get any easier than that.
These are the Mickey Thompson ATZ P3s, the all-terrains, the Baja ATZs. Pretty sweet tire. I wanted more aggressive tire, but I still wanted something good for the road. And these are all-terrain, so they still are pretty quiet, but they're still aggressive enough that they'll handle really well in the you know, winter weather conditions that we're famous for here in PA.
Yeah, seriously.
Or just the giant potholes that I'm going to hit on the way home. Either way, looking fresh. I like this the thicker sidewall. Yeah, looks good. Oh yeah, those look cool.
That's pretty overhead. That actually sits really nice.
Well, until it's lowered, but yeah, off the lift. But yeah, it looks.
It doesn't stick out like we thought it would.
No, it looks good.
I thought it was going to poke out way more.
No, I like it. Yeah, looking like a truck. Looking good, Grant. Looking good. Yeah, finishing off the center hubcaps. Oh yeah, man. Looks good, dude. Got the stock ones in the back here.
You got these two tight?
Yep, those two are tight up there. We're going to take her out of here. Go film at another location to really show you guys what the truck looks like. Thank you, Grant. I appreciate all your help and services.
Sure thing, buddy.
All right, so it's about a week later, and we ran into some issues after I had installed the wheels, only because the front brakes were rubbing the wheel really bad, the front calipers, and I really wanted to make it work by grinding down the caliper, painting it over, but we just couldn't get enough material off the caliper to clear the front wheels, even with the front spacers that we threw on. So what I ended up doing was I ended up taking those off and getting the stock size brake calipers and rotors. They're drilled and slotted rotors, as well as the power stop brake pads, and they are the stock calipers as well. So it fits fine. obviously with just bolting the wheel on there, we didn't need the spacer then up front after that to clear, and the truck sits real nice. It sits pretty much perfectly even as far as the poke goes between the front and rear. It worked out nicely after trial and error, I guess I should say, on our part. And I ended up going to my friend's house to modify and do the NorCal mod is what it's called. And what that does is the wheel well here in the back by the cab comes straight down like this. We basically took an inch or so off of it, because what happens is when you try to fit a 33-inch tire on stock ride height, or even with a 2-inch leveling kit like I have up front, this part of the tire, when you turn the wheel, let's say I'm turning left, the tire will come in and it will rub the inside of this wheel well right here. But since we cut it, modified it, and it's called the NorCal mod, you can look it up on YouTube to see how to do it. That ended up giving us the clearance we needed. I'm gonna have to repaint back here too, but what I did is I just put a black spray paint so it wouldn't rust. I have to touch up a little bit here, and I also cut this plastic, they're like, not like a mud guard, they're just like a corner guard here that kind of goes on the bottom of the wheel well in the cab. I cut that off, and what I'm gonna do is get a piece of 3M double stick and put some right there so it doesn't come off. It'll finish it off nicely, so you won't even really notice. When you look back here, you can't tell. And I also cut this off too. If you can see, this is part of the front bumper. Now, I didn't really need to do this. It was only rubbing here because I had the spacers on originally, so I ended up doing that, but you can't even tell. I like it without the plastic front bumper. Took that whole thing off the front there. The only thing I don't like is, obviously it reveals some of them bolts and stuff and the skid plate. I'd like to find something that maybe kind of comes across here real small, and I don't want something big hanging down. I want something real small to finish off right at the bottom of those tow hooks, because if you look at the truck from the side, it follows the paint line, see? Real nice all the way back, and I like that without that front bumper that hangs down. It's like a plastic front fascia. A lot of guys take the bottom section off. I might do that, but I still would like to find something to replace it, make it look a little nicer up front. As far as the rear goes, the rear fits nice, as you can see, no issues there. What do you think?
Looks great.
Looks good?
Oh yeah, much better.
Yeah. What do you think, baby?
You like it? Yeah.
What do you think? Think it looks cool?
I'm not gonna talk.
Yeah, Grant brought his kids because we had to recalibrate the TPMS on the wheels there, so they're all good to go. So I can read tire pressure. I got a chance to drive the truck. Drives fine. Tires are a little noisier than factory, but obviously that's to be expected with a tire tread like that. But it still rides really nice. I really like it. Again, those are the Mickey Thompson Baja ATZs. Those are 33 by 12.5 by 20. If you guys are interested to know what tire size they are. And these again are the Anthem off-road equalizers, 20 by 12 with a -44 offset. Really liking it. Finally got new wheels and tires for the truck. Hitting golden hour here, so the sun's kind of setting, a little hard to see. Maybe I'll throw some photos up here that I took at my friend's house when we did the NorCal mod for you guys, so you can check them out. But overall, I'm really happy with it. I think he's happy with it too. Is it like a Tonka truck? Huh? Did you ever play with Tonka trucks?
Oh, I'm just looking at the lights.
Oh, yeah, the lights. He know. Oh, look at that. The hidden lights. Yeah.
Good eye splat, buddy.
Wheels are already dirty, but maybe now that I have some nice wheels and tires, I'll keep them cleaner than usual. But it's gonna be pretty hard driving this truck to and from work. I'm gonna try my best though. A little dirty. So, thanks Grant.
Yeah, you're
coming out.
Anytime, man.
You guys got a car show coming up, right?
Yeah.
When was that?
Yep, it is August 24th.
August
Saturday,
24th, Saturday?
At the, Barnstormer Stadium. It's gonna benefit. It'll go to a charity. All proceeds will go to a charity. We'll have food vendors there.
Okay.
There will be probably fan favorite prizes, some trophies and stuff like that.
Okay.
And plenty of information for our company, K&W Tires. So
cool.
It'll be a good time as long as the weather holds out nicely.
Yeah, for sure. So I'll be at that car show with probably one or two of the ZL1s. If it's gonna rain or something, I probably won't bring the cars, but I'll definitely be there and bring the truck. Let me know what you think about this. Let me know what you think about the wheels and tires on the truck. I really like them. I think it makes the truck look a whole lot more aggressive and different. I don't think I'm gonna go too much farther. I'm not gonna do a lift. Like, you guys are probably like, do a lift, but I'm not. I don't think I'm gonna do it. I like how this truck sits. I like how the truck drives. Still got a tow and everything. But if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're coming here for the first time, and have a great day.